how to edit a page in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to explore how to edit a page in Notion even if you're brand new to the platform. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, head over to the Notion website. On the home page, click on the Login button. That'll take you to your access options. For most people, the easiest route is clicking Continue with Google. It's quick, secure, and connects your Notion workspace directly to your Google account. Once you're inside your Notion dashboard, go ahead and find the page you want to edit. This could be an existing page or a blank one you created earlier. Click on it and it'll open right up. Now you'll see a blank space or a few placeholder blocks. Just click anywhere and start typing. This is your canvas. Type out a quick note, a title, or whatever you're planning to build. Once you've added some text, highlight it. You'll notice a mini formatting menu pop up. This is where the real editing begins. You can make the text bold, italic, change the color, or even turn it into a heading or a to-do item. Want to make something stand out? Use colored text or highlight. And if you're feeling extra creative, use the / command. Just type and a list of block options will appear. You can add dividers, embed media, insert databases, and so much more. So that's it, a simple and quick walkthrough of how editing works in Notion. Play around with the formatting tools, try different block types, and make the space truly your own. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips. Thanks for watching.